Hello, this is Zafar. Welcome back to my videos. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to connect to the remote box using PuTTY. PuTTY is most popular tool you could use to connect to the remote servers for your troubleshooting or managing the servers. So let's get started here. The basic information you would need at this moment is the IP address. Right here you could see the IP address for this VirtualBox is 192.168.10.139. So by now you should already have installed a PuTTY on your machine, and let's go ahead and start it. Okay, here is the PuTTY, and what you could normally do is once you install it, it already comes up with a lot of information which is already pre-configured. So in here, I'm going to just simply type the IP address, or you could also type the host name, but let's try with IP address 192.168.10.139. And you could see how the port is set to 22, which is how you're going to connect to this machine, which is virtual here using a VirtualBox. And then we are doing SSH. These are other options here. We'll talk about that later on. And then you could definitely save this here. So let's save it. We'll give a name here, ZM Pro Tech, because that's the name of the host. And then I'll show you normally what I do is turn the colors on. And by default, it's the font color is white, so I really like some enhanced color here. So I'll normally select yellow or one of these greens here. So let's select yellow because it goes better on the black background. And then save this, and then just select open. Okay, once you do that, you will get this dialog box here. Are you sure you want to do this? You just select yes, and then this is how it comes up. So it's asking you to put in the password and the username and password. So the username always is going to be root unless you have some other root user. But if you want to log in as an administrator, you have to use root as a login, and then enter your password. It's taking a moment to bring up the password information, or the password login or password dialog box. Okay. See, it will also tell you the IP address of the host machine you're connecting to. So remember that you could also check it here. So right now you just type the password. One thing it will happen here is when you type the password, you probably won't see it, and then you probably won't see the cursor moving either. So simply type the password here and hit enter. And there you go, you are logged in to the machine, which is this one right here. So you could see the IP address here. Let me bring this back, and let's clear this and type ifconfig, and it gives you literally the same information. So what this is a remote control for the VirtualBox, or this operating system could be installed on a physical hardware which is sitting in a data center. So you don't have to be sitting in data center looking at these machines directly. You could manage it using this PuTTY. I could show you more information how to download PuTTY and configure it in other videos, but at this moment, this is the information you have here. So you could clear it. And then if you want to run some commands, like if you want to shut down the machine which is running here, you just simply type init 0. Or if you want to restart the machine, you just simply type init 6. And there you go, the machine behind it is running, or shutting it down or restarting it, I shall say. There it is, it's coming up. So you could let it boot in. It will go into the whatever the run level it's set to. I think this is going to go into run level 5, which is a default run level. But if you are a really good Windows, I'm sorry, the Linux admin, you would definitely use something like a PuTTY interface to SSH into it. So right now it says inactive. Let's try to connect it. Just simply right click and then select restart session, and then it will give you the option to log in. So root, and then once it prompts you, in the meantime I'll show you this virtual machine is set to boot into run level 5, which is GUI mode. So it has booted in there, but what you could do is you could just simply use connecting a PuTTY, and then it doesn't matter what run level the machine is running, as long as you connect through PuTTY and then do your system administration. Okay, I'm logged in, and let me clear this. And it gives you the name of the host when you type in the host name, and then you could type uptime, and then you could see it's been off for only 1 minute. So I hope this information is useful for you. Be sure to subscribe to my video, and also comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this demonstration. You have a great day.